Hi guys, this is Rose. Welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video, I will be showing you some last minute wedding outfit ideas which I'm sure are going to help you. So these looks are not very difficult. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा mix match किया है कुछ ममा के wardrobe से कुछ my wardrobe से and I've just taken out a few pieces from different places and put them together and thankfully they turned out to be really nice and I'm so excited to show you in this video and I hope this helps you. So let's get started.
In the first look, what you see on the top is actually not a top but is a complete dress, which I have paired with this floral skirt which is from another crop top skirt set. To go with the blue print on the skirt, I've chosen this blue dress and that is how I've mixed matched these two completely different outfits together and I think they're going pretty well. To complete the look, I'm wearing this neck piece which has blue and pink thread work detailing going on, subtle makeup and hair, and I think you're good to go. The second look is probably the easiest thing you can ever do for a last minute wedding outfit. Take a plain kurti with a heavy printed embroidered dupatta like I've chosen here, a blue kurti with a Banarsi dupatta which is from another suit set altogether. To play even safer, go with the same color tone like blue on blue so you know you can never go wrong. The third look is my favorite. What you see on the top is actually a noodle strap maxi dress which I've paired with the pink wide leg pants from again mom's wardrobe and another suit set altogether. I love how well they're going with each other and to complete the look, I'm wearing this really pretty pearl necklace.
I hope that this video helped you guys and you got some outfit inspiration to rock the upcoming weddings. If you did, please hit like and comment down below which one was your favorite out of all these looks. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.